Hey you guys, how you doing? Welcome to the Blending with Henry show. My name is Henry. Well, it's been a great start to the beginning of this year. We've done giveaways, new recipes, and today is 5 reasons why you're still using a Vitamix. Number 5, you get what you pay for. Now, while other blenders like Ninja come packaged with extra bowls, extra cups, attempting to be an all-purpose blender, also known as jack of all trades and good at none, with Vitamix is no nonsense. It gets the job done and it does it well. Number 4, you get the same experiences what the smoothie shops and restaurants deliver. Now, when my customers ask me, Henry, which blender should I buy? I always say, buy what the smoothie shops use. Vitamix is used in most smoothie shops, restaurants, bars, McDonald's, Starbucks, and professional chefs use them on the Food Network. Now, to be fair, while this is a Vitamix related video, Blendtec is also a big player in Jamba Juice and Planet Smoothie in New York. Number 3, they're built to commercial standards. Now, much of your home appliances are not built with commercial standards in mind. Vitamix is. In fact, customers love Vitamix machines because they're built with the same commercial grade motor and perform the same as the Vitamix machines used in commercial establishments. Number 2, bragging rights. Now, everyone loves to boast about something that they have. So, someone comes to your house for a party and says, that creamy soup you made was so good. Those smoothies were amazing. I can't make a margarita like that in my blender. How did you do it? You simply say, I got a Vitamix. And now, number 1, it just works. I know people have had the same Vitamix for over 20 years, even long before I was born, you guys. Okay. Now, they're still using them and they still love them. Now, Vitamix has a very small amount of repair technicians in their factories because they have a small amount of repairs for return for defects. Now, if smoothie shops and restaurants and the Food Network and professional chefs can trust Vitamix, it will certainly survive your kitchen. And now, number 1. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you want to join the rest of us who are empowering this amazing experience of owning a Vitamix, click on the links below to order your favorite Vitamix through Blending with Henry, or you can check them out on blendingwithhenry.com. Now stay tuned you guys, this is going to be an amazing summer with Blending with Henry. Don't get lost, I will see you soon.